Wait.
That's Jennifer. Oh, fail.
Why is my voice so loud? It's stuck. It's stuck. I can move. Ow, my face.
That's the hill.
Jen, we gotta both go down on the interstate at the same time. Oh shit. What the fuck is this? Man. That's a chunk of ice.
You're a chunk of ice.
Make sure you don't stick on the pokey thing. No, put the pokey thing sticking down.
But then it's gonna slow us down.
No, it's not. I promise you. I've ridden on you. Okay. Okay.
Let's put it in a path already made. Okay, or not.
Okay.
Wait, let's push it down once so we make a path.
No.
Okay. What are we gonna do?
Okay. I get in first and you sit on my lap.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, your butt.
Oh my god. Babe. Do you want to go first?
With the toes.
Okay.
Can you start on? Okay. I'm gonna push them down with my foot. Like
We're too fat.
Oh wait, hold this. Oh my
God, I really cannot push you guys.
Here. I got this.
Okay, push and then start to pull. Or then jump in.
The fuck?
We have to use the already made path.
Okay, no, we just gotta get it when it's already on a slant. Move your foot.
Oh my god, my hands are freezing.
Now let's jump on it at the same time. Ready? Wait, wait, wait. I got my hands.
Oh my god, my hands.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
I told you it's not setting snow, you guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Go! Go! I just did. Let's try going down that path. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Should I just end it?
Just end.